My name's Robert, and this is my 1928 5-window coupe. Only had it for a few years, but I've done a few mods on it. It's pretty much a car that I drive every weekend, and I have a lot of fun with it. It's got a 350 Chev, 350 turbo gearbox, Jag rear end, and a good little cruiser. Thank you.
My name's Anthony. This is my 1957 Chev Bel Air 4-door pillarless. It's original colour. 350 Chev, turbo 350 automatic. It's had a restoration probably about 10 years ago, and yeah, had it now for about 12 months. Very nice car.
Hi, my name's Gudge. This is my XY ute. I've been on the road for about 7 years. It's got a 393 stroker in it. It's mini tubbed. Jeff from Street Tech done it. The car's got one-piece windows. No bolts on the bars. It's been in the Street Machine book. We drive it everywhere. There's not a, yeah, if we're home, we cruise it everywhere. You'll probably see it on the street. Just wave to us, we'll wave back. Yeah, that's about it. It's got centre lines. It's, yeah, you can't miss it, mate. It stands out. Yeah, that's it.